Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how we are going to link or import Bootstrap in React project. I haven't created the React project. First I am going to create the React project. Click on new and create new folder, React with Bootstrap. In this folder I am going to open CMD and make my React and installing React to my project. Create npx create React app and project name is React demo. So React is installing in my folder React demo. As 50% installation is completed, still waiting to complete installation, and the installation has completed. So we move to the folder and I am opening my IDE, Visual Studio Code. As the Visual Studio Code is open, here is all the repositories regarding React demo folder or the project. Now I am open my terminal, for which I start my npm start, enter. It will open the project on the local host 8080. Here's how the project is loading and opening soon. Till right now it is not connected to Bootstrap or any other front-end framework. Bootstrap is basically creating layout for the website, so it looks amazing when the visitor or the viewer may visit your website. Here is how the website or the project is loaded and it appears. So we are going to install Bootstrap in this project. Now write npm install --save bootstrap at 3.3.7 or what version you like you can, but the linking process is the same. So I am using Bootstrap 3.3.7. if you like you can use 4 or the latest version. Now Bootstrap 3.3.7 is in the way to install. As Bootstrap installed in the project, you can, if you like, you can see in node modules that Bootstrap is available to you for using it in your project. Yeah, here is Bootstrap. Open it, and in the dist folder there is a CSS folder, so you can use it from here. The linking process is the main issue for which most of the people suffer. So this is the component, which is the app component in the source file app.js. We are going to remove some of this content, and it is extracting class name is using app, which is from app.css. This is the app.css file. Here we are going to remove all the file structure and save and then save as, and write down div h1 hello world. Now test it out in the local host that what is going on. Yeah, this is working. Now we are going to link Bootstrap, so we install it and go to index.js, okay, in the source folder, and going to import Bootstrap. You have to write this as for importing Bootstrap in your project. Import Bootstrap dist/css bootstrap.css, from where the project fetches all the classes regarding Bootstrap. Control S, and then return and see that whether what, yeah, you can see that that it is different from the previous view you see. So I am going to declare the class name is equals to container. So it is now working. Bootstrap is now working. Okay, we further work with Bootstrap for the one class name as Jumbotron. Here we are going to write h1 as testing to do app, and here I am going to write paragraph lorem ipsum and save it and test it how it is working. It is not working. We are going to see that whether what the class mistake is. Okay, is equals to, and it is in quotation mark, so it is now working. Before that we have to write container class, else it will not going to work. Now test, it's not working. Oh, there is a mistake. Container, okay, spelling mistake. Now you can see the beautiful view, and the Bootstrap is now linked with your project. You can work on and develop your project and increase the scope of your project with the help of Bootstrap. Thank you very much. Hope you liked the video.